Honda will soon re-release one of its legendary products, the Honda Prelude, which will pamper sports car lovers with a Japanese feel. What's new for 2025? Although its name is familiar, the Prelude will be a new addition to Honda's lineup, and it will serve as somewhat of a replacement for the discontinued coupe versions of the Civic and Accord. We expect it to arrive for the 2025 model year, although the exact timing for the production model isn't clear. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2026 Honda Prelude is expected to start around $31, go up to $38, depending on the trim and options. Sport $31,000 est. Sport Touring $38,000 est. Please support this channel so that it develops further and provides the latest information for you. At this point, we're just guessing on the Prelude's trim levels and price points, but we hope to hear more about its positioning soon.